phase 3 of the DDI process is to draw inferences for the data. Here, we may actually use the word because to explain what we see. At this point, we may want to ask questions like, what are some possible reasons behind this data? What classroom implications could we draw from this data? Or use phrases like, a possible explanation is, or a question I still have is, or I want to look more at, to guide your analysis and thinking. However, don't spend too long here. Just enough time to determine student learning needs. Very importantly, focus on what you can control in the classroom rather than on issues you cannot control, because this inferencing phase will be essential in guiding our action and goal setting. For example, avoid saying, these students don't read well because they don't practice outside of the classroom. Instead, think about what you can control. Statements such as, oh, we should establish a simple classroom home system to increase reading at home. Or I wonder if the students at the emergency level need to spend more time on syllabizing through the dictado method. And is it likely that these students decode accurately but do not have the vocabulary necessary for understanding what they read? These type of questions and ideas will lead to instructional actions that will likely result in student gains. Now you try it. Look at the school's data for grades K through 2. Focus on the home language classrooms and answer at least one of the questions in the share board. What may explain the data? What are the implications for instruction? You may use the following sentence starters to respond. A possible explanation is, I may need to. A question I have is, thank you ahead for sharing your answers. A potential inference for this data might be, it seems that students have yet to discover the patterns in syllabus. They may need explicit instruction in this area. I wonder if I should use a dictado method so that students can practice decoding and encoding simultaneously.